Hello, everybody. My name is Charlie Roth. I'm a singer-songwriter from Minnesota, right in the middle of the state. It's great to be asked to do this for the HeartH Star Festival, and I'm glad to be included. It's on May 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. I'll tell you a little bit about what I do. I've got, you can't see it because of the video cut off, but I use my feet for percussion. I have a stomp box on my left foot for the one, and on my right foot I have two castanets that I toggle back and forth sometimes. And I've been doing this for all my life. Started writing songs. I've got 8 albums and 8 tours of Europe, and mostly these days staying around home, of course, like everybody else, out of work. I'm finding lots of stuff to do, and this is a song I wrote called Baltic Avenue, and so I had 2013 release. We had a house next to community chest. A purple yard was our little love nest. Mediterranean neighbors and an income tax view just past go on Baltic Avenue. I lost my job when they shut down the short line road. No brakeman's income to declare anymore. Go directly to jail. The chance card read, by the way, your mortgage is due on Baltic Avenue. They took the whole American pie, left not a crumb for the rest to survive. Our race has been run, our neighbors got the same. It's time to clear the board and start a brand new game. Those boardwalk bullies and their Park Place pawns put up a hotel in what was my lawn. They got Marvin Gardens and the waterworks too. Now we're all screwed on Baltic Avenue. We're sleeping in free parking in a broken down car. Might bed down in the Reading Railroad yard. A distant vision of an American dream that we all once knew on Baltic Avenue. They took a whole American pie, left not a crumb for the rest to survive. Our race has been run, our neighbors got the same. It's time to clear the board and start a brand new game. Hup.